Alright, so I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Dr. Hauschka products and some of my favorites out of their brand. Right now I'll start off with their cleansing routine, which starts with the cleansing milk. And it's a beautiful texture, it's a lovely smell. They don't add perfume, it's actually the smell of the botanicals that are in this. And it will remove mascara, lipstick, foundation, and this is just the perfect cleanser for an oilier skin client who wants to remove their makeup, but it's also a really excellent cleanser for somebody who has dry skin, and then they can just use this primarily. And then the next cleanser is going to be the cleansing cream, and this one is actually for the person who has oily skin. So what it's going to do is it actually comes in a container that looks like a toothpaste container, so it's a long tube, and you just squeeze a little bit of paste out. And the major component of this is like an almond type of a paste, and so what you do is when you have a bit of that paste, you add some water to it and you make this beautiful creamy consistency, and then you spread it on the skin using lymphatic drainage movements. And by doing this, you also create a suction effect which cleans out the pores in your skin. So it's literally pulling out all of the dirt and gunk out of your skin. And also it has this little bit of a grain texture to it, so it gently exfoliates as you're doing this. It is exfoliating your skin, and you can bring it down to the neck area and stimulate lymphatic flow, which also cleans your blood and removes toxins from your skin. So it's also very homeopathic. It's great for that person who needs that, that healing for their skin. So once you're done with that process, you would then take a nice terry cloth towel, and in a basin you will have prepared some facial steam bath and warm water. And you just take your towel and wring it out and then remove the cleanser with it. The next step is using the facial toner. And with the facial toner, you're going to spray it on your skin, and it comes in this beautiful mist that's so fine, it's immediately absorbed. And what this does is it helps to close your pores, and it helps to increase elasticity. So it really is an anti-aging product because it's creating more elasticity in the skin, and your skin, you can see the contours are more defined, and the pores are shrunk, so it's beautiful. This is my favorite cleansing routine, especially for those people who are in a rut with their skincare. They just need some help and some healing, and that's where Dr. Hauschka is going to come in. It's really going to do that for them.